Hey guys, Larissa Prodigal Pieces here, taking you on a mini before tour here of our DIY fire pit. It's a hot mess, and this is normal. Honestly, this is normal spring uncovering after the tarps in the winter. I'm looking to have to do less. This, I mentioned in my blog post, is damaged partly because our neighbors installed a swale. You can read more about that, and then we put up a privacy fence because there's a lot of issues with that said neighbor. But really looking about 7 years of wear and tear on the furniture. This is a pine bench we built that I have links to within my blog post if you'd like to build this yourself, just some 2x4s and some unique cuts. Giving it a pressure washing here, and honestly, that is so therapeutic to see the years of grime. And I don't know if you knew this, but when you do pressure washing on your wood furniture, your decks, it lifts the grain and it ages it faster. So I try not to do that. I clean intermittently with other things in the meantime, but it's long overdue for a hefty cleaning. Before I go on, I want to encourage you to take just 1 second to head to the top of the blog, the bottom, and random spots in between. You can sign up for my free email newsletter. It'll come right to your inbox, no strings attached. I literally just bring you the posts as they go live with a little bit of backstory on me, what's going on in my family that I typically don't put in a blog post. So I like to create a family environment there. But anyway, I love this pressure washer and I use it all the time. It even has different tips so I can just wash my car, so I don't have to go to the car wash. But anyway, want you to enjoy this, and I'll catch with you in a minute. Along with our fire pit area, there's plenty of other things I need to clean and work on this summer, so I have a huge to-do list before winter rolls in again. You can see this is so addictive, and you'll see a sneak of Lula here who would love to bite at that hose, but she's behaving. She loves water. And this is my youngest, who also knows how to use the sprayer after pressure washer. We've done several patio cleanings over the years, and so I trust her with it. I don't leave her with it. I watch her closely. She's got protective eye gear, ear wear, and so on. But she also is hooked and loves to see our backyard become pretty again, getting rid of the mildew and buildup from the trees. As I said about applying my solid stain using the airless sprayer that makes this job a breeze, I really don't think there'd be any other way to do this except with a roller, maybe brush to fill in the small gaps. But sprayer is definitely the way to go because I literally had the, 5 pieces sprayed within less than an hour and clean up and everything. So, and I had to do 2 coats, but the stain itself was $55. I've always had the sprayer on hand. I use it for many things you can see within my blog, but any airless sprayer and you're good to go. Well, we're done, and the looming storm
just about 30 minutes away. So super huge thanks to all my kids and family that helped me get this done in literally less than 2 days. We really had everybody pulling hard because just before this we had storms. I had promised you that I'd do this last week. Again, we had storms. And so with the finishing and all that, it takes about 24 hours to cure. So while that was curing, I was busy doing the other things like the pressure washing and so on, and also tackling other things in my yard, trying to take care of that. But really, we can't say how much we love this space, and so any effort put into it definitely comes back to us tenfold, that we get to enjoy it, feel clean. We can invite friends and family over as well. Just enjoy and share some time outside. Yeah, we don't have maybe the greatest neighbors with the upkeep, with the bank-owned home behind us with the lawn that's like 3 feet tall. Next door neighbors, we've got problems with those that we've had to build the fence beside the fire pit, and on the other side, friendly gal. And can't complain there. But you do what you can do, right? I'm a country girl living in the city, and I'd much rather be out in the middle of nowhere, not seeing any other people, but I'm here and I'm making the most blooming where I'm planted. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this, that you feel inspired to give this a try, because literally everything that we did here, aside from the stain that cost, I think, $55, was what I had on hand and just making do. And also the dollar store little lanterns there. Anyway, totally doable, totally something that just takes a lot of elbow grease. So of course it's great when you have good help, or just you can even minimize the size of it to suit your yard. We went big because there's 8 of us, and then you count 8 of us with friends and family. We would like the space. Excited to share this with you. I encourage you to ask questions, like I said, because you can always come up with something. Before you go, sign up for my free email newsletter. You can find that at the top and the bottom of the blog post, and within the blog post as well. Nothing strings attached to that. It's literally just my email newsletter. I don't share your information with anybody, but that way you get first dibs, because sometimes social media just doesn't work, as we all know. And I want to hear from you too. I love getting the individual emails, responding to my posts, as well as the comments. And I want to make a little comment about comments. When I post something on social media, it falls into just an endless feed and disappears into nothing. And for bloggers, I can speak on behalf, when we get comments from our readers that we write for, those comments stay. As long as our blog is there, they stay. So somebody 5 years from now could be reading comments. Maybe you ask a pertinent question that they would want answered to. And plus, just getting feedback to hear from you. So leaving a comment on social media, yes, helps the social media at that split moment. But for me as a blogger, those comments on my blog are the ones that really help fuel the online gods that you like being here and you want to stay here. So I look forward to my next project with you, and I have much more coming. So stay tuned. Until next time, Larissa Prodigal Pieces. Bye.